Hello friends, my name is Anshul and in today's session we'll be discussing what is Java, why we use Java, why we prefer Java over other programming languages, and what is object-oriented programming. So, yes, you heard it right. Java is a programming language and the best part is that it is object-oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object. It revolves around object and classes. Java has an extensive, vast library of predefined object classes. Java is best for creating web application and mobile application. In today's world, most of us use Android smartphones. And what is Android? It's made of Java. Java programming language is related with C++, but it is not exactly C++. It is way better than C++ in many areas. We'll be discussing those areas in the later parts. History of Java. Java was created at Sun Microsystem in December 1990. Before the Java's existence, developer used to use C and C++. The initial name of Java was O, but it was renamed to Java back in 1995. So, the question arises that we already have so many programming languages, why another? Why should we use Java? Best part of Java is that it's a simple programming language. It's not as confusing like C++. It don't have pointers, structures, typedef, etc. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Everything in Java revolves around objects, so it is easy to recognize it. Java is a platform-independent language. It's interpreted. You can compile one file on Windows and you can run the same file on Linux or Macintosh. Java is one of the most secure programming language. It doesn't have low-level functions. It has a file access restricted. That means you have public, private, these type of classes with which you can define the access specifier that who can access, who has the particular public access, who has the private access for that. Java is a portable language. Another advantage of Java programming language is that it is multi-threaded. By multi-threaded, we means that multiple operations can be performed simultaneously. In today's world, we use so many applications which requires multi-threading. Java is dynamic and robust. It supports exception handling, array bound checking, bytecode verification, which makes it more superior. So now we'll come to object-oriented programming. Java is way different than the procedural programming as in C. Java contains objects. Objects are basically the instances of the class. These are used to interact with one another to design the applications and the computer programs. Object-oriented programming is an approach to design modular, robust, and reusable software systems. There are three main principles of object-oriented programming. First one is encapsulation. It's a mechanism that binds code and the data together. It manipulates the data and keep it safe from the outside interference and the misuse. For example, a toffee with a wrapper that saves the toffee from the outer world. It also acts as a protective wrapper that prevents the code and data from being misused by the outside world. Second principle of object-oriented programming is inheritance. It's a process by which an object acquires the properties of the another object. Third principle of Java or object-oriented programming language is polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms. It is a feature that allows one interface to be used for a general class of actions. The specified action is determined by the exact nature of the situation. Best example of Java or object-oriented programming language is car. We have several objects in the car which all are interlinked or binded together. Steering wheel uses tires without knowing its internal functionality, and so on. Same in Java, everything is object and object is an instance of class. So here we can see our first Java program, which is hello world. It says public class hello world. So we are defining a class which is public and the name of the class is hello world. Then we are defining our main function, that is public static void main strings args. This is the way how we define our main function in the Java. And inside it we have our print statement, that is system.out.println hello world. If we compile and run this Java program, it will display hello world on the screen. We will discuss more about Java in other videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.